Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can earn on the stake app for free. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the stake. And after clicking on the stake, what we need to do, we have to go to the profile section. So let's click on this profile section. And after clicking on the profile section, what we have to do, we have to scroll down and you will be able to see the refer a friend option. So let's click on this refer a friend. So as you can see, refer a friend, each friend you refer gets 40. If they invest and 540, you get 40. So as you can see, you have to refer the more friends and you will earn more. So as you can see, invite one friend using your invite link above. The second step is they receive AED 150 $40 once fully onboarded and approved. And the third is you receive AED 150 $40 when they invest 2,540 or more. So in this way, you can share the link. You have to click on this share link option. You will get the link, and now you can share with anyone and you will earn a lot. So in this way, you can refer the friend and you can earn on the stake app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.